Hey there, how's it going? This is the St. Michael's Church. The building dates back to the 16th century. However, there was believed to be a church here as early as 1105 AD, which was then destroyed by fires and religious looting and various other events a few times. And then this building then is around 500 years old. Spectacular church here in Ghent, Belgium. And I'm going to walk into the old town of Ghent here, which is absolutely mind-blowing. I'm staying at a houseboat, about a 15-minute walk down that way. And it has turned into a beautiful sunny day here. It was raining yesterday, so lucky timing, and I'm in the bicycle lane there. Apparently the name Ghent may come from the word in Celtic, which means confluence of rivers, because of two rivers that come together here, and here it is. One of them what a view. And as you can see, the architecture here is just absolutely stunning, dating back to almost 900 years old. I had dinner last night at this classic Irish pub on the right there. Had amazing fish and chips. And so I'm just going to walk through here and show you what it's like. A bustling scene, and give you a good taste of incredible Ghent, Belgium. This is my only full day here in Ghent. I'm flying tomorrow to Athens, Greece, and heading out to the Greek islands. Yesterday when I walked past here, there was dancing going on under this structure here. Obviously a much more modern building than these other ones. In 1313, the people of Ghent began to build the belfry and designated it as the city's proudest symbol of independence. In those days, merely the lower half of the present tower was built. For centuries, wooden peaks of all sorts of design adorned the tower. In 1999, the belfry was added to the prestigious list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. And so Ghent here is in the region of Flanders within Belgium. There are the two regions of Flanders and Wallonia. Flanders is the Dutch-speaking region of Belgium. Wallonia is the French-speaking, closer to France. And Ghent is in the province of East Flanders and the capital and largest city of East Flanders. St. Bavo's Cathedral, an impressive Gothic cathedral, was built on the ruins of the 12th century Romanesque church that once stood here. When Charles V was baptized here in 1500, the metamorphosis from a closed Romanesque church to a spacious Gothic one was fully underway. Hi there.
Nederlands?
No, English.
No, you know not what that is.
I don't. I don't. Where are you from?
Belgium.
Belgium, okay, okay.
I don't know, also know what it is.
Yeah, you're from other city. Which city? Belgium. Which city in Belgium?
Ypres.
Ypres. Okay.
You don't know.
I don't know.
And you are from England.
I'm from the United States.
Oh yes.
Yeah. I've been to Brussels, Bruges, and
Bruges.
Ghent. But that's all.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, bye bye.
Enjoy.
Good holiday.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No, I think we should.
It smells so good right here, like a mix of bread and chocolate. Hello.
Hi.
What are these called?
Noses, get noses.
I see. They look like noses.
Well, more or less.
Cool. And so the local language here is actually called Flemish, which is a dialect of Dutch. But as you can see there, the man spoke English, and basically all Belgians also speak English to some extent or another. Boat trips for €750. Looks like Italian ice cream. And a nice little square here next to a medieval castle. The fish market. In 1689, the fish market was definitively accommodated at Sint-Veerleplein. The Baroque gate building was built for this occasion. The designer was Adriaan van der Linden. The facade was richly decorated with sculptures showing allegorical representations of the sea and water gods and goddesses. The very top was adorned with a large statue of the sea god Neptune. In 1872, the gate building was damaged by a fire which destroyed all sculptures. And so I guess this was the fish market, this square. €10 to go into the Castle of the Counts. That's a little expensive to see what I can imagine it will be like. I think I'll pass, but and so the castle here, the Castle of the Counts, is also called the Gravenstein, built in 1180 AD. But apparently there was another castle here that was wooden, that was built in the 9th century, so the 800s. And the castle was actually scheduled to be demolished about a century ago. And fortunately they didn't. And in case you're wondering what the elevation is here, it is 9 meters, which is about 30 feet. Not too high, especially considering that the sea is actually still a ways away from here. Golden Drak. Den Droop News. Den Soet. I should probably stop trying to pronounce these words. Some amazing looking beers here. Gens Strop. Vier Gens Beer. Belgian Ale Barista Chocolate Quad, and so that is some sort of a chocolate beer, it looks like. Gens Stout. Grimbergen, some really cool names. Trappist. Triple Carmeliet. Westmalle Trappist, that is a good one there. The Beer Corner, and this is a separate business over here, it looks like. And so I think right there, that is the church where I started this video and walked across that bridge right over there. Quite an idyllic scene here.